For the first time in our global markets, we'll be offering 55 watts wired charging. This allows a full battery charge in just 45 minutes, and that is from a completely empty 0% charge. Wireless charging max speeds have typically lagged behind wired, and this is something we wanted to improve on. This is why we are offering 50 watts wireless charging in Mi 11. This will juice you up in just 53 minutes and vastly outcharges competitor flagships. To put it in context, Mi 11 wired charging is half the time of competitor flagships. For wireless charging, it is less than half the time. This is key when you need a full battery in a rush, especially for those of us who often forget to charge our phones at night. As for chargers, we're sorry to say that we are not including an inbox 18 watts charger this time. This is because you probably have a number of those already. In exchange, we are including a 55 watt gallium nitride charger. We realize that very few people have chargers of this capacity, so we made sure to include it. One of the best things about a 55 watt GaN charger is that it is capable of charging more of your gear, including laptops, gaming consoles, and smartphones. It's also highly compact at about half the size of typical silicon-based chargers. 55 watts wired charging, 55 watts inbox GaN charger, 50 watts wireless charging. And we've even included 10 watts wireless reverse charging, which is useful to use your phone to charge your TWS earphones. We believe this is truly a world-class charging experience. To ensure that the show can keep going, we've also included a 4,600 milliamps big battery. This is more than 1,200 milliamp hours, bigger than some typical flagship phones. Next to competition, it's clear which phone deserves the spotlight. Bigger battery, faster charging, reverse wireless charging, and an included 55 watts GaN charger inbox.